What's the meaning of acrobatic? Acrobatic. 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 The term acrobatic refers to activities that require skill, strength, agility, and coordination in performing complex movements or feats. These activities often involve balancing, tumbling, flipping, or contorting the body in unusual ways, typically for entertainment or athletic purposes. The result of acrobatic performances can be visually stunning, breathtaking, or awe-inspiring as individuals or groups display their impressive physical abilities and creative movements. Acrobatics can be seen in a variety of settings such as circuses, dance performances, gymnastics competitions, and even action movies. Overall, it is an exciting and impressive display of human athleticism and creativity.